Shubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Umentri rangba ka Jylla ukonrat sangma. Hennegas ngi haba jubab ya ka jingkeli halor ka jingeh jong ki Nonghikai halor ki jingdawa jongki. Ulaong baka sorkar kadang Peit benia halor ka jingdawa jong ki Nonghikai Adhoc. Habaya day bat katulab jong ki Nonghikai SSE nakaliang umentri rangba ulaong baka sorkar Jylla kalawat ikilat ki lenti bansiung no ya katulab jongki. Ulaong ru bahay ki Jylla baper ki Nonghikai SSE ki Ïakynduh ya Kajuh ka Jingeh bakim yo ya katulab.
Teachers' salaries, it could be a different issue, but all the demands, all the grants that are to be given to Adhoc and deficit, whatever 1 month, 2 months delay may be there, but they are normally given on time. So therefore, I don't know exactly what which teachers you're mentioning about.
The Adhoc school teachers are demanding for the government to enhance their salaries.
Enhancement. Yes. That is being examined. That we have not made any decision yet, but it's not in the delay of salaries. So there's a very big difference between delay of salaries and asking for enhancement. That aspect is being examined as of now. We have not taken any decision on that.
But the SSA teachers also, they have...
Yeah, SSA we have worked out and we will be clearing few months of salary, even though we have not received the funds from Delhi yet. We are working out from the state's budget. We are still waiting for the funds to be released from Delhi. You must have seen many other states are facing similar problems. Even in Assam and other neighboring states, there were issues with SSA. So this is a national problem. We are trying to work out with Government of India, but there is very little that we can do to clear everything because maximum amount comes from the center. Most of the amount is from the center, and whatever we can do from the state, even now, as I said, we are working towards clearing whatever possible from the state's budget. But we have not received the funds from the center yet, and not just us, most of the states throughout the country.